Keith Kohl claims that a small energy stock is about to mint new millionaires. However, he won't tell you the name of this company unless you buy his newsletter. But I have good news. He left enough clues to figure out the stock, and I reveal it in this video for free. All you have to do is watch this video all the way through and determine for yourself if this stock will make you a millionaire. And when you're done watching, click the link in the description to check out Insider Newsletter. I've reviewed over 100 stock picking services, and Insider Newsletter gets the best returns. And for a limited time, it's only $1 to try. Before I reveal the stock, I want to break down the teaser and explain what Keith is talking about here. He claims a new way to frack is being developed that is going to put the old method of horizontal drilling to shame. Horizontal drilling is a technique used to enhance the extraction of oil and gas from underground rock formations. The process starts with drilling a well vertically down to the rock layer that contains the oil or gas. Once the desired depth is reached, the drill bit is then turned to drill horizontally along the rock layer. This horizontal extension allows access to a larger surface area within the rock, making it easier to extract the trapped resources. By increasing the contact with the rock formation, horizontal drilling improves the efficiency and yield of oil and gas extraction operations. However, Keith claims horseshoe drilling will replace this method. In this method, drilling would start with a central well that reaches the target rock formation. From this central well, additional horizontal wells would be drilled in a curved, horseshoe-like pattern. This arrangement could potentially increase the efficiency of resource extraction by maximizing the contact area with the reservoir and improving the management of pressure within the formation. According to Keith, the horseshoe drill essentially cuts costs in half and cuts the time to drill in half as well, saving a ton of money. Keith left a few clues in the presentation that helped me figure out the name of the stock. First off, the company owns 150,000 acres in the Permian Basin. The Permian Basin is a large sedimentary basin in western Texas and southeastern New Mexico, known for its rich deposits of oil and natural gas. It is one of the most productive oil fields in the United States, contributing significantly to the country's energy production. Additionally, in the second quarter, they had record production of over 130,000 barrels of oil and gas produced per day. And finally, the CEO sold his first oil company for $388 million. All the clues lead to the stock being Matador Resources. Matador Resources is an independent energy company focused on the exploration, development, production, and acquisition of oil and natural gas resources in the United States, primarily in the Delaware Basin of southeast New Mexico and West Texas. The company's operations also extend to the Eagle Ford Shale in South Texas and the Haynesville Shale in northwest Louisiana. In terms of new technology, Matador has been implementing innovative drilling techniques to enhance efficiency and reduce costs. One of their recent advancements is the trimul-frac technology, which has significantly contributed to their production growth and cost savings. Additionally, they have been experimenting with horseshoe wells, a technique where they drill U-shaped laterals instead of traditional straight ones. This method has lowered drilling and completion costs while maintaining high production levels. Financially, Matador Resources has shown strong performance recently. In the first quarter of 2024, the company reported earnings of $1.71 per share, surpassing analyst expectations of $1.39. Their revenue for the quarter was $787 million, a significant 40.6% increase from the same period the previous year. This robust growth is attributed to higher production volumes and effective cost management strategies, including their innovative trimul-frac technology and the implementation of horseshoe wells, which have helped reduce drilling and completion costs while maintaining high production efficiency. For the fiscal year ending March 31, 2024, Matador Resources reported a total revenue of $3 billion, reflecting a slight year-over-year decline of 0.5%. Despite this, the company's market cap stands strong at $8.5 billion, showing a 42% increase over the past year. This is indicative of investor confidence and the company's strategic financial maneuvers, such as equity and debt offerings, which have bolstered their financial flexibility. Matador's stock performance has been commendable, with a 9% increase in stock price since the beginning of 2024, currently trading at around $62. Analysts are optimistic about the company's future, with a consensus price target of around $75 over the next year, suggesting a potential upside of 20% from the current levels. The company's return on equity stands at a robust 20.6%, and they maintain a healthy net margin of 28.9%. Matador Resources continues to focus on operational efficiencies and strategic acquisitions to sustain growth. Their recent financial results and operational updates demonstrate strong performance and a positive outlook, positioning them well for future growth in the competitive energy sector. And if you really want to make money with the stock market, make sure to click the link in the description to check out Insider Newsletter. I've reviewed hundreds of stock picking newsletters, and Insider Newsletter performs the best by far. On top of this, it's only $1 to try. So again, click the link in the description to check out this newsletter.